Press the bell icon on our YouTube app and never miss another video from Spotboy.
Hello Pariniti and Ayushman and welcome to Spotboy.
Thank you.
First of all Pariniti, I'm in love with your voice and I'm sure you've heard this so much now. I know we've heard all about how that song happened and everything, but now I want to know the after story. How do you feel like now the song is up there, you're getting so much of appreciation? What do you feel?
It's any artist's dream, yeah. Whatever we do, we put so much of emotion in it that the audience reaction means that much to me. And to any actor, I would say. So obviously, I always wanted Mana to be a big hit. That was, of course, to say it plainly. But I think people have really connected to the song more than just, you know, enjoying the song. They've really connected to the lyrics. They come and talk to me so much in detail when they talk about the song. So that was amazing. I mean, I really wanted my first song to be big, and I'm glad that that's what's happened.
Anything that you remember जिसमें आपको actually लगा हो कि मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा ये?
डर एक्चुअली ऐसा कोई डर नहीं था. It was just that I wanted to sing as perfectly as I could because I am responsible to my craft because I've learnt music. I am classically trained, so whenever I sing, even when I'm in a corridor singing, I always try and sing as perfectly as I can. And in fact, on the days that my voice doesn't work and I'm not able to sing, it really affects my mood. So that was the biggest responsibility in my head and fear in my head.
And Ayushman, you being a singer, what was your reaction when you heard her sing?
Well, I think it was in 2012 when we were hosting IFA and we were performing at IFA, and that was the time I heard her sing in the makeup room. तो वहाँ से आवाज़ आ रही थी इसकी और ये फिर ले आया दिल गा रही थी बर्फी फिल्म का गाना, and I was like, यार, you sing so well, and it was such a beautiful revelation. And तब से मैं उसको बोल रहा हूँ गा तुझे गाना है. 5 साल हो गए इस बात को, and I'm glad in 2017 she launched Mana Ke Hum Yaar Nahi.
And जब आपके पास ये स्क्रिप्ट आई and she was the singer in this and you were the writer in this, तो आपको रोल रिवर्सल करने का
नहीं, I think आपको अच्छा लगता है कि अगर आप कुछ और करो on screen. In fact, I also write. I've started writing columns these days. I've written a book as well. So I guess there's a writer in me as well. मेरे अंदर एक writer है जो अब स्क्रीन पे पहली बार आ रहा है. मेरी प्यारी बिंदु में. So it was nothing like that. और I think आपकी identities बिल्कुल अलग होनी चाहिए as a singer, as an actor.
So he mentioned फिर ले आया दिल, and that reminds me to Priyanka Chopra. How has she influenced your singing?
She of course is an inspiration, yeah. She is not a trained singer, yet she sings so well because music is really in our blood, in the Chopra's blood, and she's done it on an international level with some of the top music pop stars in the world. So of course her journey is on another level, but as a sister she got very emotional when she heard my song, and she said some lovely things, and she was the first one actually to whom I sent the song. So yeah, it's very important to me that she approves, and she did.
And it's been 2 years. One day that release is like tomorrow. Are
Yes.
you nervous? And you're coming back after 2 years.
Of course, very nervous. Yeah, film releases are the biggest days of an actor's life, and we think we made a really special and beautiful film. And I just want everybody out there to go watch it and enjoy it the way we have enjoyed making it.
I think it's always the same feeling, like before you get the feeling before the board exam results. It's exactly the same feeling.
Okay.
Yeah.
When did you start shooting for Bindu?
12th of May last year, and it's a bizarre coincidence that we are releasing the film
on the
same day.
Yeah.
So it was, I think, the worst time to shoot in Calcutta. But if you are in love with the script, and I think it surpasses everything.
I've already booked my tickets. Don't worry.
Thanks, Chetna.
Before shooting for Bindu on a daily basis, आप लोग कितने पुराने गाने सुनते थे?
बहुत बचपन से पुराने गाने हम सुनते आए हैं.
पहला गाना जो आपको याद हो, जो आपने सुना और एकदम से it struck a chord.
ऐसा जब मैं 3-4 साल का था वैसे बोल रहा हूँ.
तभी भी.
अरे
ऐसा कुछ पहला गाना याद नहीं होता.
तो जब मेरे
बहुत सारे गाने जो पेट में था तब से सुन रहा हूँ.
जो आपने गाया हो या आपने अपने पेरेंट्स को सुना हो.
So basically some special song.
I think पापा कहते हैं from क़यामत से क़यामत तक because that was one of the earliest films I'd seen, and I was really impressed with that song. कि अपने पापा को proud करके दिखा रहा है, something like that. So it was a very motivational song in a way. It was quite maybe ahead of its times, Papa कहते हैं.
What about you?
Oh, for me, it was a mix of international and Indian. My mom used to listen to a lot of Neil Diamond and ABBA, and you know, she would sing a lot of musicals songs, you know, like Sound of Music or Oliver Twist. She would sing a lot of those songs. So I know that by the time I was 9 months old, I used to sing A to Z as a baby. Before I could even speak properly. And my dad used to always listen to Mukesh music, Mukesh ji's music, and so I had a very mixed influence. So yeah.
Any legendary singers से जो reaction आया हो आपके गाने सुन के ये movie में?
Legendary singers से?
कोई कि आप लता के गाने
I got a lot of messages. Sonu Nigam, with whom I have done a duet also.
Yes.
Mana Kemyani, he messaged me, and Sunidhi Chauhan, Neha Kakkar, Vishal Shekhar, both of them. I can't even remember. A lot of singers actually, a lot of singers and musicians messaged me and told me that, you know, they were really impressed. And of course, when they say it, it really means something. So
Absolutely,
I was thankful.
Absolutely. I want to ask you something. ये जो आपने 2 साल का break लिया, do you feel के लोग आपको शायद judge करते या भूल जाते या फिर आपने ऐसा कुछ regret किया हो that you know ये 2 साल में कुछ आया and you just let it go?
No, but 2 साल, I mean, मेरी प्यारी बिंदु कल रिलीज हो रही है. ऑब्वियसली मैंने परसों तो उसको शूट करना शुरू नहीं किया. 1 साल से मैं उसको शूट कर रही हूँ. सो माई ब्रेक इफेक्टिवली वॉज ओनली 10 months. ऑफकोर्स आपको बहुत सारे फेयर्स आते हैं, बट आई वॉज सो क्लियर विद माई गोल. आई हैड अ लॉन्ग टर्म गोल इन माई हेड कि वो डर नहीं लगा. एंड आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल सपोर्टिंग मी ऑल्सो.
Ayushmann, are you satisfied as an actor?
Definitely. In fact, I started with an unconventional film like Vicky Donor.
Yes.
And in the past 5 years, I've given 2 national award-winning films, Vicky Donor and Dum Laga Ke Aisha. And I'm quite fortunate that I'm getting such scripts which are novel and different in a way. And I would love to choose scripts which are different. Even Meri Pyari Bindu has a very different texture. It's based on music. It's novel because हर एक अच्छे आपके गाने के साथ एक याद जुड़ी होती है. Every memory is attached to your song, your favorite songs. And we have a playlist in the film, and that's the hook of a film. And I'm pretty satisfied. Yes.
Okay, now coming to some serious topic. I mean, you know that this entire thing of actors cannot sing. The thing is going
It's not
on.
that serious actually.
Basically, Sonam Mohapatra tweeted that to Arman Malik, saying that Justin Bieber concert was a flop, and it's good that you did not perform, and let's leave
Why
it to
was
the
it flop?
because he was lip syncing.
Oh.
You know,
So-
50% of the pop stars across the world they lip sync.
But then giving 76,000
Yeah,
for a
it's
lip
just the
sync
face
is
value.
just
It's unfortunate, but it's
76,000 was the price of the ticket?
Yes. So then she said that the stage should have been left for the actors who can sing and actors in a single quote.
I'm ready for my
We are ready. हमने तो अभी live concert भी किया, उसमें कुछ क्लस्टर नहीं था.
Absolutely, and I saw that.
Yeah, really?
Parindi, but yes. But आपको हर किसी का ओपिनियन होता है, but आपको ऐसा क्यों लगा कि आपको जस्टिफाई करने की जरूरत है? I think
कभी भी नहीं आपने कभी देखा मुझे जस्टिफाई करते हुए. मैं अपनी लाइफ में मस्त हूँ and I am an entertainer. Even in my real life, I try to entertain and make everybody laugh. And even in films, I try and do that. So I will continue to do that. I don't think that anybody can choose for me what I can do in my life. I don't think I can tell Ayushmann ki listen, you dance and you walk, but you can't run. I can't tell him what to do. He can do whatever he wants to do, right? So as an artist also, I think I should be given that freedom. I respect other people's freedom also.
Ayushmann, women obviously get trolled on social media, but do you also
I don't get trolled.
Listen, it depends on your personality and your character trait. I think if you are a non-controversial person, it's how you behave on social media.
Because you know, आजकल तो लोग अमिताभ बच्चन जी को भी नहीं छोड़ते हैं, उनको भी ट्रोल करते
I'm
हैं.
sure, लेकिन जब तक आपकी praises की मात्रा ट्रोल से ज़्यादा तो आप safe हैं. Like if you allow 80% of praises
Yeah.
and 20% it doesn't matter, वो होगा ही. Because everybody has become an armchair thinker now. आप अपने घर पे bedroom में बैठ के कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. It is a democracy. What do you do?
Parindi, do success and failure affect you?
Yes, of course. I am human after all. Success makes me really happy. Failure is a very difficult thing to handle. But in this industry, because failure means failure on a global level fans either diss you or appreciate you, it affects you very, very deeply. But of course, because I have seen failure in my career, with a couple of films not working, I know how to handle it better.
Absolutely. One last question. किसको और क्यों बिंदु देखनी चाहिए?
बिंदु को इस मेरी प्यारी बिंदु इसलिए देख लीजिए, फर्स्ट
मेरी प्यारी बिंदु।
हाँ, मेरी प्यारी बिंदु इसलिए देखनी चाहिए. Number one, it is full of nostalgia, or it has got old world charm, and it doesn't only star आयुष्मान and परिणीति also, but उसमें मोहम्मद रफ़ी साहब भी हैं, किशोर दा भी हैं, लता मंगेशकर जी भी हैं, आशा ताई भी हैं, बपी दा भी हैं. So all these legends are also there in the film in the form of music, and it is a joyride.
Do you want to say something?
It's the same film, so it's all the same things. I think they should go and watch this film because it's a really sweet, short, crisp, lovely film about these two characters. Lot of old songs, lots of nostalgia, a lot of sweet moments, and a lot of happiness.
And I'm looking forward to it. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for joining.
Thank you.